You won't find a chicken more pampered or taken care of. I've been a weatherman for 40 years, and I've never seen a chicken during a snowstorm. I thought my mind was playing tricks on me. It's supposed to be 4 degrees that night. So I tried to capture her, and all I had was some potato chips. It wasn't a quick grab and go kind of a thing. I did slip. It certainly took a little while to catch her, but with the help of another gentleman, we trapped her.
During my live shot, a chicken walked up to me in about 7 inches of snow. So I picked the chicken up, and we're really good friends now.
My roommate and I decided to take her home.
You know what we could do? We could clean out that green basket. You'd fit in there perfect.
We brought her home so we could rehab her because she was so skinny. She ate immediately, and she's been so easy to take care of.
Did you just take a bath?
She was wet from the rain. You a good girl?
I'd had a little health scare. I had a small mini stroke. I thought it ended my career, actually. I was fighting depression at the time. So she's been part of my rehab, and I was part of her rehab. She kind of gave me a little bit of purpose again. She follows me around now like a dog. I spent a little bit of time through speech therapy, and I spent some time to try to get my mind straight a little bit there because being a weatherman is strictly off the top of your head. Do you remember this? Is that why you're so vocal? Now I have a podcast and I do the weather. I swear she loves being on camera because she can see herself. The minute I get on, people are like, "Where's Penny?" She's been like a celebrity ever since.
She is about to fall asleep. She's never fallen asleep on camera before. I'm so sorry, baby. Yeah, I know. You want to go to sleep, don't you? Yeah, good night, girl.
Now that she's a part of the family, it's all been well worth it. Tummy. Feel good?